Hello, this is Dr. Elena Eustache and welcome to my show. Today my topic is what do you do to decompress? Do you go to dinner? Do you work out, bubble bath, or do you make love? Let's go see our celebrities and see how they decompress.
Well, working out, running, but making love with the one you love, nothing beats that.
Well, I think it's sort of, if you can get all three in a night, that's really what we're looking for.
I like to do it all at the same time.
So take a bath.
These options, I'd take a bath.
That's not happening.
Oh my goodness, what do I do best?
In the same times.
Because the sex is a workout, and then you get hungry and you eat.
What do I like to do best? I like all of it. To decompress. I like to work out. I really do.
Oh! It's either the first or the third. I cook. I like to cook. I like to cook. Cook would be it.
I would probably try and get in all three.
Hey, to decompress, how about all three?
I love you.
Thank you.
What a great answers. I agree with all of you. The way I decompress is I go to dinner, have a bubble bath. I like to be playful and faire l'amour. This is Dr. Elena Eustache and I'll see you next time for more fun topics.